Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about ATC 840 USB to RS-422 interface converter. Here is the unboxing of ATC 840 converter. On top, we get user manual. Then we get the compact disc for driver. And here is the ATC 840 converter. We have clearly seen that this is USB to RS-422 interface converter. And with it we have warranty tag to void if removed. Like this, we can open this converter. And cable length is 1 meter. Technical specification. Computer interface, USB 1.12.0 plug and play. Operational system virtual serial port driver. Supports Windows 98/me/xp/2000/CE/Vista, Mac and Linux too. 420 or superior. Field interfaces, RS-422 full duplex. Automatic flow control for RS-422 full duplex. Transmission rate, from 300 bps to 1 megabit per second. Maximum RS-422 cable length, 1,200 meter. Maximum number of devices in the RS-422 network, full duplex to 32 devices. Power, from the USB port. Consumption, less than 100 mA. RS-422 bus protection, 600 watt. USB connection, mini B connector. 100 mm cable with the module. RS-422 connector, DB9 male. ABS enclosure, length 60 mm, breadth 57 mm, height 24 mm, not include cable. Operating environment, 0 to 70 degrees Celsius, 10 to 90% relative humidity, non-condensing.